Hello everyone! So this is gonna be a pretty quick video. My portfolio is pretty green today, so all in all a good day. INND is the star of my portfolio, so that's always nice to see. But one of the stocks that we are talking about here a lot, and I am very bullish on, I like this company, I said a lot of great things about them, CTRM. Is in the red, and not just in the red, it's minus 20% today to 0.59. So I wanted to do a quick update about that. As always, keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor. I'm a CEO of a gaming company, making this channel to make investing more fun, to create a nice community that we can learn from each other. So if that sounds fun, join us. CTRM, just in a few words, you probably know them, but if not, they are a shipping company. They've been looking very good the past few months, over the past year, which was a pandemic year, which kind of hammered the whole industry. They have actually been buying ships. They doubled their fleet from, I think, 6 or 7 ships to 13, 14. Been getting ready to get out of the pandemic. Their PE ratio is looking great, and definitely one of the more interesting stocks out there. I am averaged at around a bit under $1, and this is a pretty big position for me actually. So today's 20% hurt. This is not fun. So what happened? Basically, they did an offering. That's the gist of it. They released 192.3 million of common shares, and they sold them for 0.65 per share, which makes sense that this caused the price to drop significantly. Even lower than this, by the way, which is impressive. So this is a direct offering, so someone is going to be buying those shares at this price. Now, what does that mean? Is it good? Kind of hard to say in the long run. I like, first of all, it happens. So before you panic, companies do that. It's fine. Investors get diluted. The offerings is a pretty common thing. It's never fun for the investors when this happens, but long term, it means the company is getting money, which is always good, depending on what the money is being used. And bear in mind that whoever is buying this 0.65 is per share is buying it because he expects the stock to go up. So those investors are expecting the stock to go up, and historically speaking, based on everything I know, stocks tend to go up pretty quickly after sharings, unless there is some specific problem. So I do expect this share to go up pretty soon. That being said, this was always a long hold for me, and I've been saying that I do see this company potentially getting to the $2 area, but it won't happen in a day. It will need to wait until the end of the pandemic, see how they do then. At least 12 months is what I think. From my point of view, as much as this is not fun, I do believe in the company, and for me this means I'll be averaging in, even though before that I wasn't planning on doing it. I was planning to keep my position, but CTRM for 0.65, I mean 0.6 at the moment, if I'm honest, is kind of great. Like, I was ready to buy it at 1. I did, with 0.95 if I remember correctly, so I should definitely be happy to buy it at 0.6. And again, we've seen this stock already hitting 1.73, so okay, it had the hype of Reddit and stuff like that, but you know, it was still trending around $1. The company is looking great, and this is what I am doing. I would be happy if this would be my entry price, so I'm not advising anyone to buy this, but me personally, I like the price. And again, I wasn't planning on averaging when it was like 0.8. I was kind of happy with my position around 1, but now I'm definitely gonna buy more of that. And again, I can say from the CEO's perspective, this happens. Companies raise money. If this money is used correctly, this can be a huge good thing for the company. But in the long run, and since in any case I was planning to hold this for a year or two, and I think long term this company will do really well, I have no problem with this offering, and this is my plan of action here. But just wanted to make this quick video so everyone who are seeing, you know, minus 20 today, which looks scary, will understand why this is happening and the logic behind. And again, if you planned investing in this very short term, this is probably bad news for you, and you'll probably need to hold the bag for longer. But if you're in it for the long run, I think this is actually good news. But given the fact that the money will be used in smart ways, which so far they've definitely been doing. This is one of the companies that performed the best, you know, like actually had a really good plan of going out of the pandemic. So I still have high hopes for it, and that's how I'm playing, even though this is painful. Minus 20% in a day in one of the like bigger positions that I have is never fun. But all in all, great day in the stock market. I hope yours is as well, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers, everyone.